Good evening, students. Welcome to our online video class. This is 9th standard chemistry unit 10 matter around us lesson. In previous class already discussed different types of separation method and solution. Once again recall what is solution. What is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. In a solution, there are main two components are present. What are the two components? One is solid, another one is solvent. Solid present in a solution, present in lesser amount. Solvent present in larger amount. Solid present in lesser amount by weight is called solid. Larger amount of the component present in a solution is called solvent. How solutions are formed? Solid particle dissolved in solvent, we get solution. For example, salt solution. Salt acts as a solid, water acts as a solvent. Salt dissolved in water, we get salt solution. Solution is a what mixture? Homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. Solid present in lesser amount by weight is called solid. In a solution, the component present in lesser amount by weight is called solution. In a solution, component which is present in larger amount by weight is called solvent. Solid dissolved throughout the solvent, we get solution. Let's see types of solution. Based on the size of the solid particles. The solution divided into three types. What are the three types? Let us study through an activity. Take bottles containing sugar, starch and wheat flour. Add 1 teaspoonful of each one to a glass of water and stir well. 3 bottles contains water. Each bottles dissolved. First bottle dissolved sugar, second bottle dissolved starch, third bottle dissolved wheat flour and stir well. Leave it aside for about 10 minutes. What do you observe? We can see that is in case of sugar we get clear solution. The particles never settle down. So this mixture is called true solution. In another case is starch and water, we get cloudy mixture. This mixture is called colloidal solution. The another one case is wheat flour mixed with water, we get very turbid mixture. And fine particles slowly settle down the bottom after some time. So this mixture is called suspensions. Sugar get clear solution with water, that is true solution. Starch with water, we get cloudy mixture. That mixture is called colloidal solution. Finally, the wheat flour mixed with water, we get a very turbid mixture. After sometimes the fine particles of the wheat flour settle down the bottom of the glass. So this mixture is called suspension. So based on the particle size, solution can be classified into three types. What are the three types? True solution, colloidal solution, suspension. What are the main difference among the true solution, colloidal solution and suspension? The major difference is particle size of the solid particles. See this picture. Take 3 bottles with only for water and mixed the water acts as a solvent. The solvent are common, difference only for solid particles. What are the solid use these activities? three solid particles. One is sugar, second one is starch, third one wheat flour. What are the main difference? The major difference in a particle size of solid. Particle size of solid. In fact, interconversion of this mixer are possible by varying the particle size by certain chemical and physical method. What are the main difference in these solutions? These types of solution. The major difference particle size of the solid. Particle size of the solid. See the particle size. The first picture, true solution, second one colloidal solution, third one suspension. In true solution, the particle size less than 10 power minus 7 centimeter. 10 power minus 7 centimeter. The particles present in a true solution, the solid particle size is 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter. At the same time, colloidal solution, the solid particles present in what size? 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter to 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. And finally, suspension. Suspension solution contains solid particles. The solid particle size is greater than 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Greater than 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. The main difference of the three solutions is particle size. Size of the particles. Size of the particles. Size of the solid particle size. Solid particle size. True solution, solid particle size is less than 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter. Colloidal solution, 10 to the power minus 7 to 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter. But suspension particles contains size of the particle is greater than 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter. These are the major difference present in a colloidal solution. Colloidal solutions are classified into three types based on the particle size. One is true solution, second one is colloidal solution, third one suspension. Let's see colloidal solutions. Colloidal solution is a heterogeneous system consisting of dispersion phase and dispersion medium. The dispersion phase or dispersion medium can be solid, liquid or gas. Dispersion phase and dispersion medium act as a solid, liquid or gas. There are 8 different combinations possible. The combination of gas and gas is not possible because gas and gas always form true solution. Important one more question. The combination of gas and gas not possible because the gas and gas particles always form to a what solution? True solution. What is colloidal solution? Colloidal solution consisting colloidal solution is a heterogeneous system. This system consisting two phase, namely dispersion phase and dispersion medium. This dispersion phase and dispersion medium can be a solid, liquid, gases, solid or liquid or gases particles. See this tabular column. This is 8 combination of different dispersion phase and dispersion medium to form a colloidal system. First one, colloidal phase. Who act as a colloidal phase? Solid particle act as a dispersion phase. Dispersion medium act as a solvent. So solid act as a dispersion phase, solvent act as a dispersion medium. Let's see one by one. Solid and solid. Solid and solvent act as a, both are present in what state? Solid state. So solid in solid. The colloidal name is solid sol. Example of solid sol: alloys, gems, colored glass. The second one, colloidal system, is solid in liquid. The name of the colloidal particle is sol. Example of sol: ink, paint, egg white. The third system is solid in gas. Solid act as a solid, gas act as a solvent. The colloidal system name is Aerosol example, smoke and dust. The fourth colloidal system is liquid in solid. Liquid act as a solid, solid act as a solvent. The sole name is gel. Example of gel, curd, cheese, jelly. The fifth colloidal system is liquid in liquid. Liquid act as a solid, another liquid act as a solvent. So liquid in liquid colloidal system name is emulsion. Example of emulsion, milk, butter, oil in water. The sixth colloidal system name is liquid in gas. Colloidal system name aerosol. Example, mist, fog, cloud. Seventh colloidal system, gas in solid. Colloidal system name solid form. Example, cake, bread. The final colloidal system is gas in liquid. Gas act as a solid, liquid act as a solvent. The colloidal system name is form. Example, leather, soap leather, aerated drinks, aerated water. Soap leather, aerated water. These are the classification of colloids based on the state of dispersion phase and dispersion medium. The types of colloidal solutions classify into classification of colloids based on physical state of dispersion phase and dispersion medium. There are 8 combinations available, that is given in a tabular column. Dear children, learn this today's topics. Note the assignment question. The first one, what is colloidal solution? This is the answer for colloidal solution. Second one, what is solution? The first 2 lines is the answer of solution. Third question, what is solid? In a solution, the component present in lesser amount by validity is called solid. This is answer of solid. Next one, fourth question is solvent. What is solvent? The component present in larger amount by weight is called solvent. This is answer for solvent. Note the assignment question. Learn today's topics. Thank you, students.